Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, so you just click on settings here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. Then you click here on general here, just click on it. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so next you just go down here, you click here on keyboard here, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, so then you come here to Memoji stickers here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's Memoji stickers disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.